If you're a homeowner or builder, you know a home is a valuable investment. Have you ever stopped to think about the value inside of a home? What I'm referring to is the value of all the unprotected home electronic devices within a home. Most of us are familiar with televisions, computers, and home entertainment systems and how to protect these valuable electronics with a power surge strip like this one. However, have you stopped to think about the other modern electronic devices like washers and dryers? How about stoves, microwaves, refrigerators, heating and air conditioning systems, which may have sensitive electronic controls? When you think about it, a modern home can easily have over $10,000 worth of unprotected electronic equipment that is not being protected by surge strips. The right solution is a Square D brand home electronic protection device, the HEPD80. This device not only works together with surge strips to provide an additional level of protection for all plug-in electronics, but is designed to protect all electronic equipment within a home, meaning all electronics not plugged in to those surge strips. For instance, the new HEPD80 is ideal when only electrical line surge suppression is needed. It's affordably priced and comes with a 50,000 5-year limited warranty. What if you need telephone and video surge protection as well? Our SurgeBreaker Plus Whole House Surge Protection device offers protection for telephone, video, and electrical systems. The SurgeBreaker Plus comes with a 5-year, $75,000 limited warranty. Thanks for watching, and remember, make the most of your energy with Schneider Electric.